Hey my beautiful tea party squad, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa, and in this video today I am bringing some glamorous, chic classiness to the tea party. I finally got a no-Teek planner and I'm going to be unboxing it. So if you're looking for a glamorous, chic, sophisticated planner for 2021, you want to step it up a little bit, then stick around so you can see what I got in this unboxing. All right, so as you can tell, I already went ahead and took out my planner out of the box, but this is just how it came. When I opened the box, it was wrapped so nicely, and I'm all about presentation. It just lets me know that I have a quality planner on my hands, and she put a lot of thought into presenting this and making it feel so sophisticated. So, and when I took it out of the box, I did get a card that was on top. And I love the fact that she actually takes her time and write out a personal note, and it says, "Dear Lady Tekoa, thank you so much for shopping with us at Notiq. Your support and trust means so much to me, especially at this time. Please tag me when you take photos. You are greatly appreciated." And you guys, this is on a Notiq like index cardstock, and it's really, really good. And it has like rose gold foil on it, and it is a rose gold color, and it's just, you know, it's just pink on the back. But I just love that she takes that time to do that. And I mean, what other planner that you can get that is wrapped so nicely? Like, this tissue paper is glamorous. This really goes with my decor and my craft space / mom cave, and I'm really excited about it. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get this out without ripping the paper. I think I can just slide it out here. Let's see. Oh, but this paper, y'all, it looks, look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys, let me tell you something. I am a sucker for nicely wrapped things, okay? And she took her time and even gave me a bow. Like, I have a bow that says Notiq on here. Oh my goodness, so exciting. So let's see, I think I can take it off. There we go. So I don't have to unravel the ribbon. Oh, I cannot wait to show you guys. So on the box, I got like a nice little sealer rose there. Love that. Oh, it is wrapped again. Oh, I get some more of this paper. Like, I don't even want to throw the box on the floor, y'all. Like, that's just, like, it's very precious. So let's take our time, take it out. All right, now let's see how we can unravel this guy. It comes with the Notiq duster so that when I want to store it for safekeeping, I can protect the cover and not get any dust and all. I have this cute little duster that comes with this thick sticker. And I think it was supposed to be like that, but this is super cute. So let's go ahead on the inside and let me show you what I got. So that's the duster. It's a nice velvet feel to it. So cute. You don't get any of these with any other planners. This is so awesome. All right, so let's check out the pen first, and then we're gonna save the best for last. So this pen comes in a nice pen case that's black and velvet, has a drawstring at the top, and then I got a gold pen. So cute. Love that. Has a nice little weight to it, but not too heavy. I was trying to look for a name for it, but I don't see a name at all, but that's fine. I love this. Love it, love it. And then last but not least, I did get the Q5 Signature Rose Blush Quilted Vegan Leather Agenda Cover. It is the large A5. I believe this one may be a discontinued one as far as the plans, but I was able to go ahead and get it before she actually sold out of this. So I was really excited to get this because I just love the feel of it, and it looks nice and sophisticated. And then you get the nice little Notiq emblem here, and I wanted to have that on there because I think you can get it without it, but I wanted that there. That is so classy, so chic. And so yes, so let's go ahead and look in the inside. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go through these goodies later. Just want to take a look at the inside. Love this. So I have some card inserts here, which I will probably decorate a little bit. And I do have my little pockets. I have a secretarial pocket here and another secretarial pocket on the side here that I can put some things in. And then another one here I can slip something in. I feel like I can slip maybe like another little notepad or something in here if I want to kind of like want to take notes and stuff. Then I have some more pockets here. So 1, 2, 3 pockets here. And then my pen loop here, which I think I'm going to go ahead and put in now because this is so cute. Just want to make sure it's going to fit, but I feel like it's going to fit. I think they were like made for each other. All right, yep. Tight but right. Yep, it fit right on in there. She did. But I'm going to leave that here. And so, of course, I have my 6 ring and these gold. So the rings are gold, which I love. It just pops from this rose gold pinkish blush color. And then here I get a no-Teek accessories. So it says that no-Teek accessories are handmade and constructed with luxe material of fine quality. Any imperfections or irregularities are a result of natural handling conditions. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, so she gave me like a little card here about the product, which I love. And these pockets are really nice, and actually they're rather deep, by the way. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little card slots here, and then my pockets here. And yeah, so that's the inside of it. Really cute. I'm going to order some more inserts, however, to fill this up, and I think I'm going to go ahead and get some more of the no-Teek inserts. So I did get some more accessories with it, and so that's what we're going to take a look at. So I'm trying to think of all the stuff that I got. It's like, first of all, let's talk about this little paper here. Like this right here, it feels like a frosted, nice frosted paper. I might want to reuse that. All right, so let's take a look at this right here. I think I know what this is. So this card actually talks about the brand, how they come about with the name, and also it talks about how this Q symbolizes the no-Teek brand. So I did get some like little journaling cards that I can actually use in here. So you have Fearless. Oh, that's so cute. Like this paper, y'all, is so velvety. Oh my goodness. So this is really cute. So I got these. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 of these little cards here. I'm gonna put this. All right, and so I got a paper clip. Yes, gonna definitely use that. And so it says, minimal is the new sophistication, simplicity is the new art, and elegance is the new modern. This is so glamorous, y'all. Like, look at this. Oh. And yeah, and so on the back just talks about the brand, how the Q came about, and the Q actually is just the no-Teek brand mark. So I love this, really cute. All right, so let's take a look at some of these inserts. And I'm actually going to look at this one, the weekly briefs, because this was one of the ones when I did the order and I was trying to customize it and kind of playing with some things. I wasn't for sure if I wanted to do all pink with this. And so I was like, okay, my planner is going to be pink. I didn't want pink paper. So she did have the option of getting another color. So I chose the white paper, but I did get a few pinkish tones in here as well. So this one is the daily brief. So you get your week of, then you write down your top targets, and then you have your daily sheets here, and then you have your list here. And then on the back is just some dot grids. So I only got like a few pages in here as just like a sampler. And so I want you to see how it looks to see if I really want to do the white or if I wanted to go back and order some pink paper. So that's that. So now is the inserts. All right, let's see. Like these, you guys, like this right here, this is just everything to me. These little stickers with the Q on it for no-Teek. I'm loving it. So glamorous. So let's pull her to the side and take a look at our inserts and our divider covers and all the fun things that I got in here. So I did get this one. It's the ampersand, and it says she conquered her fears. Love this. And this is like cardstock. It's velvet, y'all. I don't know if you can tell by the shimmer on it, but it is a velvet. Oh my gosh. So that's one there. And then we have our cover for the inside. You put your name, your email, and your phone number there. And then I did get the calendar at a glance. I got the 2020. You get your key dates here, any other dates you may want to document. And then I got 2021 on the back. I have some to-do inserts here. Got a few pages of those. Yeah, just a few. And then next would be the first one. And y'all, look at this shimmer. It is rose gold and it is gorgeous. This is my goals section. So I do love that the divider tabs have the labels on them already. So this is my goals section. So I have goal briefs, different goals I want to have for the first month, 3 months, 6 months goals. I just love how she kind of have those already breaking down. And then I have plans. So then we'll get to the actual layout, which is a daily layout, because I do get my agenda here. I get some meal tracking down here, and also like tracking my water intake, top targets, tasks and to-dos, phone calls and follow-ups, opportunities and reminders, and then improvements I need to make down here in this little section here. And then this is what the back looks like. You get to take additional notes, or maybe writing other appointments that could not fit on this page here. You're able to kind of free write or freehand write in the back as well. So I did get a few pages of that. Then I have a project section. And again, I did want to pick some of these sampler kits or sampler inserts to see if I really want to incorporate them and make them into a full planner and use them. And I think I am. Like, this is really neat. So I'm just trying to figure out what I really want to use this planner for going into 2021. But I have a few more months left to figure that out. And I kind of figured out what I want to use it for, but I'm going to still ponder on it. So next I get a projects brief. So I get to write down my project name here, when it's due, and the percentage and the status of how completely it is. And then I can write the date when it's completed. Try to give you a closer view. And at the bottom you have tasks and reminders. And then on the back is just dot grid on the back. So I did get about 3-4 pages of that. And then the next page is my finance section. So I do have this one, to pay. You write your item description, due date, and amount on there. And then on the back, okay, so we get more. So on the back is, so here you have to pay, and then on the back is to buy. So I do like that. Okay. Yeah, I love that. Next is the wellness section. And these are just some note pages here. Yep, I got about 3 pages of that. And then I have a notes section. And then I got some more note paper here to use. I think I might get some more of these note papers. And I think I am going to go ahead and try getting some of that pink colored paper as well. And I probably will mix it up. So I might end up using my white pages for something different, and then getting some pink paper and using that separate for something else different. But I'm thinking about it. I still like franken planning. But I do like the fact that I'll have different layouts and stuff. So I may end up franken planning this in here with some more of their inserts, but then using the 2 different color papers to track and keep a track of things and document different things in here. So let's go ahead and take out this paper. I'm trying to be very delicate with it. It could have been an easier way that I could have taken that out, but I chose not to do that. But it's out. So I love how the rings are very tight and everything. So let's go ahead and dress her up, guys. I'm just really excited. I have a nice grown lady planner that looks sophisticated. Like, I can take this out wherever I am, and to me it doesn't really look like a planner. It looks like a little clutch purse. Like, if I get like some nice little like a chain here and it would look like a little clutch purse. So I'm really excited about that, just dressing it up. So yeah, So again, like I said, there are just some other items that I do have my eyes on that I cannot wait to go ahead and get. But I did want to try out some of these things to make sure that it's going to be a good fit for me and I'm going to actually love these. And so I just love the look of it. I love the divider tabs, but I'm really excited about this. This is really nice, luxury, feels very like chic and classy. Like, look how this looks. Oh my gosh. And it goes very well with my craft space decor. It's just, she's just meant to be part of my collection. And so make sure you check out my description box down below. I will put more information of my planner and my inserts that I picked up so that you'll be able to make your first purchase. And your girl is going to include a discount code for you when you make your first purchase with Notiq. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome again. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this unboxing. And I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party so that you know when I upload more videos here on my channel. Thanks for watching.